Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting unboxing. If you follow the channel, you know that in June every year I host a diamond painting event called DP for Pets. I am doing that again this year. I think I have some pretty good prizes put together, but I need to get organized myself and get ready for the kit that I'm going to be doing. Now, I will say I hope to do more than one kit for the event, but this is the one that I'm going to start with, and then if I manage to finish this one, I'll see what other ones I can do. So this is a Diamond Art Club, as you can see. I'm going to keep it a secret. Let me get everything out of the box, and let's see what's inside. Don't go anywhere. All right, this is an older kit, so let's see what we got in our toolkit. I don't actually remember when I bought this, so let's see what kind of goodies are in here. So this is one of the older, newer ones, I guess is a way to put it. This is one of their, I never can get these stoppers to fit in here the right way. Anyway, one of their little glitter trays with the stopper. We get their very pokey tweezers. We get a bag of baggies. We get some heart-shaped wax in a little container. We've got our diamond painting pen along with two multi-placers, a 7 and a 4 placer. We've got a scrunchie, an orange scrunchie to go with our orange pen. And then we've got this little rose cover minder. That's pretty cute. And then we've got some very pretty, like a tulip flowered washi tape. So that's what's in our toolkit. Let me unroll the canvas and get it to relax, and then we'll take a look at the stickers. We've got our stickers and our drills. Let me set those aside. And what kit am I doing? Yorkie and Magic Books. I love Yorkies. I think they're adorable. I would love to have one. We don't currently have any pets. We're waiting until we move to get another dog, maybe 2. But we'll see. Anyway, it's this cute little Yorkie with magic books here and then some little potion bottles. Now, this is a partial, so it says 56 by 56, but again, it is a partial, so all this background here is not going to get done. Just the dog, the books, and the little potion bottles. And it is a square. We've got 38 colors, and it looks like I've got 2 ABs. I won't go in and add any ABs to the dog itself. I don't know if I'll add any to the books, maybe some to the potion bottles, but we'll see. I may just leave this one as is. This doesn't seem like a really great place to add in lots of shiny stuff. Maybe some gold in the book title there or something. We'll see. 38 colors, 2 ABs. We've got our pre-cut stickers. So let's look at the canvas. All right, this one has been rolled up for a while, as you can tell. It hasn't relaxed yet all the way. And again, like I said, the background here, because this is a partial, it's just the dog and the books and everything that's going to be diamond painted. But it's so cute. So 56 by 56, so let's measure. So it is 55.5 this way. And if I flatten all this out, it is 55.5 this way as well. 56 by 56, I'm getting 55.5 by 55.5. Not that it matters a ton because, like I said, I'm only diamond painting the actual subject of the painting anyway. And since I can't get the whole thing on the screen, I will do as usual and take some B-roll so that you guys can see what the canvas looks like. So cute. I've done a couple other pictures by this artist for other DP for Pets. I've done the little hedgehog in the teacups, and I have done the bubblegum spaniel. And both of those were partials as well. So I really like hers, all these cute little animals and everything. Okay, let's look at our drills. This is going to be a lot of dark colors. Let's see what we've got. So we've got a very, very dark reddish brown. We only have one bag of 310. We've got a tan, another dark brown, a darker tan, a very, very dark brown, a light tan, kind of a caramel color, and then we've got like a chocolate and a dark chocolate color. Then we've got two shades of kind of a darkish red, like a brick red, and then a slightly lighter red. We've got some more browns, a lighter brown and a darker brown. We've got an off-white. We've got like a peachy tan. There's a very, very dark red and another caramel color. Lots of the same colors in the little Yorkie as will be in the books and the pages of the books and everything as well. Then we've got another light tan. We've got like a gray, a milk chocolate, another dark brown, a slightly darker gray, a butterscotch, kind of a very pale mauve, a peach. And we've got another a light brown and a dark brown. Oh, there's one of our ABs. So that's a 310 AB. If that's 310, I may do what I usually do and switch that out for just regular 310s. Although I think this is going to be, well, I was going to say I thought that was going to be in his eye, but it isn't. Oh, this goes on the one of the titles of the book. So I might actually leave that as the AB in that case. All right, then we've got kind of a greenish gray. We've got a salmon color, a very dark gray, a very dark purple, a very light tan, kind of a burnt ochre color. There is our other AB, which is white, and that does go in his eyes and is the highlights on most of these, as I would expect. A very pale mauve and a purple. So there's all the colors. I'm really excited. I can't wait to dive into this one. This one is going to be a little bit different for me in that because it's a partial, I don't really washi tape the edges because there's no glue on the edges here. But I think I might want to make some cover sheets for this one. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to make yet, but we'll see. I will make my own cover sheets, and you'll probably be seeing this kit in another video shortly where I get everything kitted up so that it's all ready to go. So when it's time to start DP for Pets on June 1st, I'm ready. Make sure you get your kits ready. I will stick another link to the entry form down below. If you already have everything set up and you know what you're going to be doing for the event, you can go ahead and fill out the entry form. No pressure. If you're not ready yet, you can wait until after the event starts even to fill it out. But the entry form is how you get entered for the weekly drawings. So in case you're interested in that, that will be down below for you. And I'll also stick a link down below to this particular kit if it's still available. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.